Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1, 5th of September 2020 question number 18. If four complex number z, z bar minus 2 real z bar and z minus 2 real z represent the vertex of a square of side length 4 units in Argand plane, then the value of mod z is equal to what? Four options are given. This is the question in the house of complex number and it's a memory based question. At first, four vertex are given here of a square, that is z bar minus 2 real z bar and z minus 2 real z. Let we know z is equal to x plus iy. So we easily say z bar is equal to x minus iota. Therefore, point A z is equal to, we may say it is x comma y, and B is the point which shows z bar, that is x comma minus y. It is point A and point B. So it is point A, point B. Therefore, another vertex is given here, z bar minus 2 real z bar. Therefore, we know z bar is equal to x minus iota and 2 real z bar. So it is minus 2x. Therefore, it is minus x minus iota. Therefore, if the point it is the point C, then C is equal to minus x comma minus y. Another vertex, z minus 2 real z. Therefore, it is x plus iota minus 2x. It is minus x plus iota. If the point is D here, so it become the axis of D is equal to x minus x y. Now plot this in an Argand plane. Therefore, if here is, these are the 4 points which shows, which is it is A, B, C and D. Obviously it is n squared as it is given in the question, and the points are x comma y minus x comma x comma minus y, C is equal to minus x comma minus y, and D is equal to minus x comma y. So these are the four vertices here. So we know mod z is equal to we know mod of z is equal to x square plus y square. We know it is, as it is we should calculate the square of the vertex of the square and side length is 4 units. So here it is given, it is 2 and it is 2, it is 4 unit, and as it is 2, so it is also 4, so it is 2 here, and this ones is mod z, and we know mod z is equal to root x square plus y square. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we may write root over 2 square plus 2 square, that is equal to root 8. So root 8 is equal to 2 root 2. So question asks, what is mod z is equal to what? So we reached, it is our required answer. So mod z is equal to 2 root 2. So here is the whole solution, and our option 2 is our correct choice. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.